Hi, what's up? So, welcome to the third vlog, and yeah, it's a sunny day today. I'm in Manali. I'll be heading to Lahore today to set up my house, and mom and dad are coming to pick me up. So, yeah, I'm gonna introduce you to mom and dad, and let's go. We are in Lahore and meet my dad. Dad, you wanna say anything? Hi. That's so vague. Mom?
Hi.
मामा ने फटाफट मिरर ऑन कर लिया अपने आप को देखने के लिए. So we are in Lahore, we're just before Sisso. यहाँ पे लैंडस्लाइड हुआ है. All of us are waiting for the cars to come from the other side. So I'm going back to the car to mom. Me and dad stepped out to check out what the fuss is all about. I have to say this, but walking with the camera in front of people is weird. I think I'm a bit embarrassed walking with the camera, but I think I'll have to get used to it. Am I a responsible boy?
Learning to be responsible.
Learning?
Trying to be responsible. Still picking up things.
ठीक है, that's okay. So we have finally reached home, me, mom and dad, and we are setting up the house. As you can see, the house is not in a good condition, and we're gonna start with setting up one room at a time.
चंडीगढ़ में 2-3 डिस्पोजेबल और अब ये कारपेट पल्ली तरफ से कारपेट उठा के ले आओ जो भी एक बड़ा वाला.
So these Soltaks right here, they belong to my grandfather. You can look at the design. It's quite unique and it's red in color. Look at this. This is so nice.
बाप रे मिट्टी कितनी निकल रही है. We have to properly झाड़ू पोंछा उसके बाद. One more.
इसको should I keep इसके ऊपर?
हाँ, one more will come.
इधर आओ. So we have old cups. These cups are from like 1990s. And Dad, ये क्या है? What is this?
This is for the money.
For the
Money. Keeping the money.
पूजा.
This is a kettle, wooden kettle.
अच्छा. So this is a wooden kettle from I think the 70s.
ऐसे देखो कितना आता है. ऐसे नहीं कौन.
Good teamwork, guys.
ऐसे नहीं. ऐसे कौन.
Oh, I'm so tired. Help चाहिए कुछ guys? Almost all the rooms are ready. The kitchen is ready, and hopefully we get it running by next month. So yeah. Okay, guys. So look at the view. So I just got done with the housework, and हमने 4 कमरे set कर दिए हैं. And now I'm gonna take you guys to a remote village which is located around 2 to 3 kilometers from my village, which is called Jalma. So we're going to village. It's called Lindur. Yeah, the name of the village is Lindur. I've started this climb, which is of about 600 meters. We'll touch the village, and this is a village which I have never visited myself. So yeah. You can see a gigantic waterfall right there, which is only visible during this time, jab glaciers are melting. So now this waterfall comes. So this is gonna be here for approximately 2 more weeks until all of that snow melts. I don't know if you can spot this waterfall right here. I have walked around 2 kilometers already and I'm tired. Just a reminder to work on your fitness as well. This is a cliff, and you can see that there is a faint trail which goes from here and which connects to that place. So this was the old path, which has now become pretty dangerous. So we are on this side. 2 फुट का रास्ता है. I mean you can walk, but अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी height से डर लगता है then it's not a good place. Rockfall happening right there. Look, that's constant landslides which are happening right there, and that's why pahadi area mein you should not go near water sources or like nalas. Living in Manali, I realized ki it's quite shitty, the culture in Manali. I mean, the smoking, the partying, and I realized that I'm in my 30s now, and I haven't seen this side of Himachal. I haven't seen this side of Lahore. Being a Lahori, I've done my schooling from Chandigarh. I went to college in Delhi. So this is just my 4th year of exploring Lahore, Manali, Kullu, and yeah, it's amazing. Okay. This is the Nala, which floods every year. After every monsoon, there's a big cloud burst here. And ये जो पूरी लैंड है ये सारा with every cloud burst it keeps on going down, and you can see the village is right there, and from here the village is sinking. So it's only a matter of 4-5 years when all of this can go down till here, और फिर ये सारा flood कर देगा पूरा वैली को नीचे तक. Yeah, I mean I'm seeing this for the first time, and I didn't know इतना evident है, because you can clearly see the cracks. यहाँ पे there used to be a green cover. All of that has gone down to the Jalma Nala. So this is called the Jalma Nala. The cracks there, you can see cracks there. So I'm gonna put the article in the description about this village and what is the main issue here, so you guys can go and read about it, because I think people often neglect जो issues हमारे remote area, हमारे tribal areas में. Tiring. Amazing. I mean, look at the view of this गाँव यार. वाह, काफ़ी insane peaks हैं यहाँ पे. You can see there's a beautiful ridge line जो ऐसे जाके, I think that's the highest peak here. Look at how pretty this village is. Amazing. You can see ये सारा fuel wood people have gathered for the winters. तो यहाँ पे temperature drops to -20, -25 in the winters. So life here is really hard. So the benefit of these old mud houses is that it keeps you really warm during winters. तो winters शुरू होने से 1 महीना पहले ही people start collecting ऐसा fuel, people start collecting घास फूस. You can look at the old construction here. These constructions are probably more than 100 years old, and these sheds are made for the cattle so that they can survive here during the winters. Now I'm starting my descent, and it'll take me 2 hours. I'm a bit concerned because it'll go dark, but I'm carrying my torchlight. Closer to my location, that's my home right there. It's another 45 minutes, I'll say.